safe restart. Grad wheels. Greener Wrangler. All right now on FCA Replay. As FCA prepares to resume manufacturing operations in North America, it is implementing a program of enhanced safety measures to protect employees, their families, and the surrounding communities from the spread and transmission of COVID-19. The program centers on layers of protection. This includes cleaning, disinfecting, and social distancing, but most importantly, ensuring the wellness of everyone entering an FCA facility. FCA will require employees and all visitors to complete a daily health risk assessment that consists of taking their temperature less than 2 hours before arriving at an FCA site and completing a self-screening questionnaire. Employees will be required to wear company-provided masks and safety glasses at all times when in the facility. FCA is also installing thermal imaging cameras. The Fiat 500 and Jeep Wrangler are among the 10 best cars for recent college graduates, according to the editors of AutoTrader. AutoTrader considered both new and used vehicles that offer affordable pricing. In addition, they considered attributes such as stylish looks, high-tech features, excellent fuel economy, or some combination of all three. With that in mind, the 2012 to 2017 Fiat 500 and 2012 to 2017 Jeep Wrangler make the AutoTrader list. The all-new Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, introduced in 2018, has a 15% less impact on the environment than its predecessor, according to a global warming potential analysis by FCA. The improvement was calculated using industry-standard software that examines multiple factors associated with the vehicle's design, production, and on-road performance. The analysis is based on 150,000 miles of operation. The all-new Wrangler was rated using its available 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with start-stop and 8-speed automatic transmission. The previous generation Wrangler was equipped with the Pentastar V6 and a 5-speed automatic. Material choices also contribute to the greener performance. The new Wrangler's ferrous metal content was reduced to 54%, from 68%. Those are this week's top stories on FCA Replay. I'm Peter Spezia, reporting for FCA Digital Media.